crafty friends, this is Julissa of Paper Gems by Jules, and today I am sharing a fun inky background using the brand new Starlight background stamp and 5 different colors of oxides. And I just wanted to create a really cool, vibrant background, and I wanted to have lots of different colors. So I started to Google some color combinations, and I found this combo, and it's a really interesting combo because you would never think to add yellow in here, but it actually works, and you'll see it how it's like super duper subtle in the background as you continue to layer the colors. What I just did with the yellow, I took like a wet fabric and just kind of smoothed up the endings, but you can see, like, you can kind of see where each of the blocks of the oxides hit. So as much as I love these colors, the only downfall is that it is in a square pad, so it's hard to kind of create this soft edges. But once you keep layering it over and over and over, it pretty much gets covered. And you'll also see another technique that I'm going to be sharing in this video is how I chopped up this A2 size background to create 3 different cards. And I'll show you the cards at the end, but I wanted to show you how I created the background and how I cut it up. So again, I'm using 5 different colors: fossilized amber, then I used faded jeans, then I used wilted violet, which is really strong, so it kind of takes over, but I'll show you what I did in a second. Then hickory smoke is what you just saw, and the last I'm going to use a little bit of black soot. And you don't want to go too crazy with black soot because oxides do layer over each other. They are not necessarily as translucent, so you just don't want to go too crazy because then you'll just have a black background. But you can already see, just using these 5 colors, that it gives you this really cool space look. And even the parts that aren't fully stamped, it just kind of looks where stars are. So it's such a cool mix of colors. I'm going back because I just felt like that purple was way too bright, and you know, looking at the replay video, I'm like, oh, it doesn't look too bad. But this is what happens to us, like when we're staring at our work, just, you know, one-on-one. So again, I just wanted to bring it back down to a blue, stamped it all over again with the faded jeans, and now I'm just going to bring back more of the purple because I really, really, really love that purple. It's so vibrant. It looks really, really cool. So I'm just going to push that on there. And that's pretty much it. I love it. So I'm just going to clean it up here, and then I am going to chop it up. After I'm done demonstrating, you'll see an actual picture that you can do a screenshot of how the measurements of what I cut. I did use the scallop and stitched square dies by Unity, so just keep that in mind. I will put a measurement for them in the notes and also in my blog, just in case you don't have them. But you can see you can create 2 squares from this side piece, and we'll go from there. All right, so thanks so much for watching. I won't chat too much more. I'll let you figure out the rest, but if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments. I would truly appreciate if you like this video and you subscribe, and that way you stay in tune to anything else I post. And again, as always, if you have any feedback, any questions, make sure to comment below. Thanks so much for watching.